Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete or remove a contact in Odoo CRM. If you need to clean up your customer list, remove an outdated contact, or simply keep your CRM organized, this is a very quick process once you know where to go. Keeping your CRM database clean is important because it helps your sales team work with accurate customer information. Removing old, duplicate, or unnecessary contacts can make your customer records easier to manage and improve your overall workflow. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before deleting a contact, it's always recommended to check whether the record is still needed. In some cases, archiving or updating a contact may be a better option than permanently deleting it. To begin, open Odoo and click on the CRM app. This will take you into the Customer Relationship Management area, where you can access sales and customer-related records. The CRM app is where Odoo stores important information about your leads, customers, and business relationships, so making sure you are working in the correct section is important. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on, especially if you use multiple Odoo apps. Once you're inside the CRM app, go to the top left area of the screen and click Sales. From the drop-down options, select Customers. This will open the customer list where you can view the contacts currently saved in your system. If your business has a large customer database, you can use the search and filter options in Odoo to quickly find the specific contact you want to remove. If you have a large number of customers, take a moment to carefully locate the exact one you want to remove. It's always a good idea to double-check the record before deleting it, since this action may not be easily reversible, depending on your setup and permissions. Deleting the wrong customer record can affect your sales history, reports, or customer communication, so taking a few extra seconds to verify the contact is always recommended. When you find the customer you want to delete, click the checkbox next to that customer's name. This selects the record and lets Odoo know which contact you want to perform an action on. Be careful to select only the correct customer, especially if several contacts have similar names. After selecting the contact, look toward the top of the page and click Actions. A menu will appear with available options for the selected record. From that menu, choose Delete. This tells Odoo that you want to remove the selected customer from the system. At this point, Odoo will usually ask you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental removal. Odoo includes this step as a safety measure, especially because deleting customer information can impact your database records. Review the prompt, and if you are sure you've selected the right contact, go ahead and confirm. Once you do that, the customer will be deleted. And that's it. The contact has now been removed from Odoo CRM. After completing the deletion, it's a good idea to refresh your customer list and confirm that the contact no longer appears. This helps make sure the action was completed successfully. As a quick tip, if you're not completely sure whether a contact should be deleted permanently, you may want to review the record first and confirm that it's no longer needed for your sales process or reporting. For example, if a customer is inactive but may return in the future, keeping the record or using another management option may be more useful than permanently deleting it. But if you're certain, these steps will help you remove it in just a few clicks. Regularly maintaining your CRM database helps your team save time, avoid confusion, and keep customer information organized as your business grows.